Listen to me, I am your leader, I am your guide. There is no more room for you to run and hide. I am your healer, the fire in your veins, yet you sit in the dark, clutching your chains. You shame the ancestors, you shame the blood. You're drowning in a drop, I'm offering the flood. I track you like a falcon high in the blue. I speak like the whisper of the wind to you, but you do nothing, you stay on the ground. Wake up! Wake up! The forest is calling your name. Bang, bang. Wake up! The ashes are turning to flame. From the stone to the leaf, I am everywhere. The grief in your arms, the ghost in the stone. I am the roots where the secrets are grown. The snakes are all fleeing, they crawl from the wood. They fear the falcon, they know what is good. I am around you and a skull in the leaves. Stop complaining, walk the path. Wake up, wake up, the forest is calling your name. The forest is calling your name. Wake up! Wake up, the ashes are turning to flame.